I'll bet there's not a house in the country that doesn't need at least a little bit of painting. Now, when you're talking about painting, that's one of those chores, if you do it right the first time, you won't have to do it near as often, it'll look a lot better, and you'll end up saving time and money. Here's an example where someone probably didn't do their painting job the right way. They probably didn't prime it properly. Now, why should you prime? Well, in a situation like this, it will seal the wood off and give a great surface for the top coat of paint to stick to. Also, it'll prevent this kind of unsightly thing where it's peeling and flaking and blistering. You won't have to worry about that. Now, interior priming is also very important because if you have any type of water stain, you can block out that water stain before you put your top coat on. And also, if you're trying to paint over some of those bold colors that were so popular for so many years, it's essential to use primer to block out that color. Also, your finish coat will look a lot more vibrant because it won't be influenced by whatever color you had before you started. Now, the primer that I'm going to use here, and you can also use it on the interior, is one that is water-based. So you can clean up with soap and water. It also dries in only an hour, so that won't take me long to take care of this problem, even though I have to do some scraping, sanding, then priming before I put the coat on.